I enjoy August, the height of summer. Cold dews, warmth and light, nightly falling stars, misty dawn, honey aroma of ripe apples, swifts gliding in rapid movement, translucent dragonflies hanging in amazement, buzzing drones driven out into freedom, caressed by asters, rejected as evidence. Frantic cicadas with long trills, intent praying mantis, frozen in numbness, lake surface strewn with clouds, with a green strand of scattered willow. Soaring in the sky, me in the present. White mountains soaring around me in the present. White mountains soaring in the sky, everything that surrounds me in the present. I enjoy August, the height of summer. Cold